Hey guys, lots of ducks on the pond today. There's a mom with her ducklings and lots of ducks. What's happening today? Look here. Look right here. A lot of ducks on the pond today. A whole lot of them. And my friends are right there. My Peking duck friends are right there hanging out. Loads of ducks, guys. Loads of ducks on the pond. Okay. Loads of them on the pond today. A lot of them. They're hanging out before the sun gets hot. I've never seen so many of them at one time in one place. These babies are staying in the show. Oh my, they're so nice. So many, so many, so many. I guess it's ducky day. It's ducky day. It's a duck party, guys. It's a duck party early in the morning. And they are getting their breakfast. Oh. Just as the sun is coming up, guys. You hear that? Some of them coming to greet me. Good morning to you too. I love it. I love it. I love it, guys. So many of them hanging out, having fun. They are having fun today on the pond side. They are having fun on the pond side, guys. Got this one right here. Loads of them. All right. I'm going to continue my walk now. All right. Bye-bye.